Good morning everyone. I am Neha and I have my debate partner Neeru, and we are going to discuss the dowry system. I am against the dowry system and she is in favor of dowry system. The dowry system is going from ancient times, but in the ancient times we think that the girl who is going to marry, uh, if her husband or anyone dies, any partner dies in her family, so he will share the gifts that she gets in the time of her marriage. But now the world has changed. The lady have many employment opportunity, and she will earn what she wants.
Good morning to all of you. Today I am we discuss with each other about the dowry system. Dowry system is a must. As we know that it's a long term coming soon. So it's a necessity for everyone. Mostly people are show off their money, their wealth in the society, and they exaggerate in the society, and they always do, and they give to their girls after marriage, and they decided to give more happiness in the society, and they always do their girls. But dowry is must, and this is necessary for in this time, so we will have to do, and we can't end this tradition.
See, she is saying that the parents want to earn fame or hype in the society, so they give lot of money to her girl, so they can, so the society will say they give this kind of money to her girl, and it will increase our respect. But I think it is the thing of only rich family. What about the poor family? They are being the शिकार बन जाते, they became the victim of the running system, and they have no money to give her daughter. So what they do with it?
As we know that it's a simple question, in my opinion, that if you don't have a money, you can't and you don't give dowry for your love and your happiness. If you have a money, so you can get anything and gift easily. But it's a necessity, as we know that society is a very our now this time, and nobody
people can't say
people can't say that they have not money, because if a poor people affordable, and he takes loans for their girl marriage, and but it must, and it has it's a long term ago coming soon, and we can't ignore it, so we will have to do it.
How can you say that it is necessary? How it is necessary? And I think the taking and giving the dowry is the respect to Ghana. We are minimizing the respect of a girl. Are we buying a girl for some gifts? If parents have enough money to give gifts to their daughter, I think no one parent will resist on that time. If they really do not have money, so what can they do? In some cases, if a girl do not bring dowry, her mindset of her in-laws change with time, and she became the victim of many civil crimes and domestic violence. So what do you want to say about that?
In my opinion, if you don't have a dowry, it is not affordable on that time. So you take that, and after that you give a loan and all things, and you can give a borrow on other people's in society. society for your girls' marriage. If you want to save your girls, so you have to do it. You will have to do dowry. It's a must. You know, if you are a girl, suppose that you are a girl, you are educated, you are well educated, but your parents also give in a gift.
Yes, I know. My parents will give, but it will not be the dowry if I am educated. They will be the gift that they want, that they will give to me. Everyone gives, but if we are saying, if we are promoting dowry, so but you can say, can you imagine the effect of the upcoming generation? In the upcoming generation, do you know the sex ratio of Haryana? The girl is being the victim of feticide. I want to clear the meaning of feticide.